We are now going to move on to section 2, where we'll be looking at SAP S/4HANA Asset Management. This presentation provides an overview of SAP S/4HANA Asset Management, focusing on its key features, benefits, and implementation considerations. It aims to help businesses and learners to understand how to leverage SAP S/4HANA for effective asset management. We will cover the following topics. First, we will explore the key features of SAP S/4HANA Asset Management. Then we will discuss the benefits that organizations can gain from implementing this solution. And finally, we will examine important implementation considerations to ensure a successful deployment. SAP S/4HANA Asset Management comes with a suite of powerful features that enhance the management and utilization of assets. These features streamline operations and provide valuable insights. One of the standout features of SAP S/4HANA Asset Management is its real-time data analytics capabilities. This allows organizations to monitor asset performance and make data-driven decisions instantly, leading to improved operational efficiency. SAP S/4HANA Asset Management integrates work management processes such as work notification, work order creation, planning, scheduling, execution, technical completion, in enabling seamless coordination between maintenance and operations. This integration optimizes resource allocation, reduces downtime, and enhances productivity. Implementing SAP S/4HANA Asset Management brings numerous benefits to any organization. By leveraging the capabilities of this solution, businesses can optimize asset performance and drive greater efficiency. With access to real-time data and advanced analytics, any organizations can make informed decisions regarding asset management. And this leads to better resource allocation and strategic planning, ultimately enhancing overall performance. Effective asset management through SAP S/4HANA enables organizations to identify inefficiencies and reduce operational costs. By optimizing maintenance schedules and resource usage, any organization can achieve significant cost savings in its maintenance budget. Implementing SAP S/4HANA Asset Management requires careful planning and consideration. Organizations should evaluate their existing processes and readiness for change to ensure a smooth transition. Successful implementation involves managing change, which is very important. That is change within the organization. Stakeholders should also be engaged throughout the process from beginning to end to ensure buy-in and to address any resistance to any new processes and technologies. User training. Proper training is crucial for maximizing the benefits of SAP S/4HANA Asset Management. Organizations should invest in comprehensive training programs to equip users with the skills needed to effectively utilize the system. In conclusion, SAP S/4HANA Asset Management offers comprehensive features that drive efficiency and effectiveness in asset management. By understanding its benefits and implementation considerations, organizations can successfully leverage this solution to optimize their asset performance. We are now going to move on to the next section where we'll be looking at SAP Activate methodology. See you in the next video.